Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications in the Vinted application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then at the notification section, click on the push notifications button. And then click on the black circle next to the enable push notifications section. And as you can see, there are several other notifications that you can set, for example, for new followers, new items, news from Vinted, and so on. So just click on the black circle next to those that you want to enable. And at the bottom of the page, you can also set a daily limit to the notifications. So you can choose to send everything or just up to 5 notifications. That's up to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.